Magandang araw! Ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo ngayong araw ay tungkol sa branches of science. Magbasa, makinig, matuto at magsaya. Ako si Binibining Menya. Handa na ba kayo? Tara na, umpisa na nating isa-isahin at pirapirasuhin ang mga detalyeng nakapaloob dito. Maaari kong ibigay ang soft copy ng video na ito, mag-email ka lamang o kaya naman ay mag-message sa aking Facebook page. Ilalagay ko ang aking email sa gitnang bahagi ng video at ang Facebook page naman ay sa huling bahagi matatagpuan. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Katulad ng binanggit ko kanina, ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo ngayong araw ay ang 4 main branches of science. Science is the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation, experimentation, and the testing of theories against the evidences obtained. Ang science ay mayroong 4 na main branches. Ito ay yung tinatawag na formal science, social science, applied science, at natural science. Formal science is a branch of science studying disciplines concerned with abstract structures described by formal systems such as logic, mathematics, statistics, theoretical computer science, artificial intelligence, information theory, game theory, system theory, decision theory, and theoretical linguistics. Social science is the study of how people interact with one another. The branches of social science include anthropology, economics, political science, psychology, and sociology. Applied science is a discipline that is used to apply existing scientific knowledge to develop more practical applications, for example, technology or inventions. At ang panghuli ay tinatawag nating natural science. Natural science is a branch of science that seeks to understand natural phenomena. It includes biology, astronomy, chemistry, earth sciences, and physics. Narito ang aking sanggunian sa mga impormasyong nakatala sa bawat slides. Kung interesado kayo na magbasa pa, maaari niyong bisitahin ang website na ito. 4 main branches of science. Dito na nagtatapos ang aking pagbabahagi. Sana ay marami kayong natutuhan. Muli, magbasa, makinig, matuto at magsaya. Ako si Binibining Menya. Paalam!